YouTube, I'm Kristen, and this time I'm going to be reacting to Rain and his music video 30 Sexy. So he's back with his 6th album, Rain Effect, and I'm a big Rain fan. When he went to the military, I cried. I cried really hard. And now he's back, and he's going to dominate because he's the king of K-pop, and that's what he does. And I'm super excited. I was only expecting him to come back with 1 music video, and he came back with 2, so I'll react to that one next. I feel like this is going to be a really good year for K-pop. Like, all these music videos coming out seem really great. And this has nothing to do with that, but all the Girls' Generation members coming out, like, with their relationships, I think that's really cool. Like, Yoona and Lee Seung-gi and Sooyoung, she just got revealed to be dating that actor. I forgot his name. But that's really cool. So, I know that has nothing to do with this, but my point being, 2014 seems like a really dynamic year for K-pop for some reason. I don't know what it is. It just... yeah. Okay, I'm going to start now. I'm super excited to see what Rain is going to do. Sexy. Oh no, I can't take it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Rain is amazing. Look at that. Rain's voice is a gift from God. You're dirty. I feel like I should be talking, but I'm so speechless right now. My mic can't relax because you're blowing it. It can't relax. And those lights remind me of 2 p.m. Come back when you hear this song. It reminds me of that for some reason. This song is good too, like that lasery noise in the back. Oh my gosh. Just beginning. Alright. And I'm out. Those girls' red shoes really stand out, like with their hair. He's just kind of like swagging with it too. Yay! Oh my gosh. Rain is amazing. He's gonna win everything. I have nothing to say. I want to like talk, but I'm mind blown. Rain's amazing. He's always been amazing. I like how he comes back after 2 years. It's like, so? Okay. About to just do my thing again. Like, I haven't been gone for 2 years. Like, he's amazing like that. Because, you know, there's some celebrities who go to the military and then they come back and it's like they don't have the same popularity they used to. Or they lose a little bit of their, I don't know, just like, they lose a little bit. But with him, he's just like, back to being amazing. Like, he never left. I love him. Bye.